Yeah, hello, Farry here. In this video, we just want to show you how to use a normal food items and a meal deals. So let's suppose if somebody comes to you and says, okay, I want to have a fish and chips, something in a fish and chips. So you can just click there. If you have the items ready, let's suppose chips regular or whatever you have. If you have a sausages options, if you have a salad options, you can use it from there. It's very simple, all salad, no cucumber, no lettuce, something like that. Let's suppose now he's saying he just changed his mind. He said, okay, no, I just want to have a meal. Fish meals, what do you have in fish meals? So in this condition, you just click there, fish meals, and you can see here what's inside. What inside doesn't mean this will add it automatically, because you have to see what's inside. So we can see here 2 chords, 2 chips, 2 onions are already inside. Let's suppose you say we have some other options as well, or maybe 6 or 8 onions for extra price, something like that. So you have to make here some items here with some different colors. So you can specify both of them, the yellow colors. Let's suppose you say, okay, these are already inside in this 18 pound price. Let's suppose if you want to change to 8 pounds, that will be the 1 pound extra. So that will be the 8 onion rings will be the next button. So you can use it for the extra amount. Now, but keep in mind, you have to add. This is not a website that is automatically added, because it totally depends on customer, what customer is asking you. Let's suppose he's asking you about, okay, give me 2 code, and I don't need 2 chips, I need 6 onions, and that's all. So you have to click it. If you don't click it, the system will not take automatically. So everything, whatever you want to add it, remove it, you have to do it, because it's a system like that. So let's suppose now he's asking fish sausage. Let's say if it goes to fish sausage, okay, salt, vinegar, or whatever else you want. Now it goes to the fries and chicken, fries and drinks. What you want to fries and drinks. These are all here. Onion rings, chips, all there. So no problem at all. You can do it very simple. So on the other side, now we go to the salad sauces again. So if is there any other options, you can make as many groups as you want. It's very simple, but keep in mind, you have to make your deal yourself, because on your definitely totally depends on your customer what he needs. So if you need more info, contact us over the WhatsApp or visit our website ewebsystem.com. Thank you.